Okay, so like you told me today, I'm very happy. So why are you today very happy? What's reason
I
behind?
don't because since morning I am doing my speaking practice. That's why I am happy.
Wow. Yeah, because whenever we take lots of sessions, so we feel energetic, like we feel happy. Yeah, today I
Yes.
did my as well. Okay.
I am feeling that yes, today I have done something new.
So, how many sessions have you done?
I have done two sessions. You are three one, and after you, after 15 minute baad, I have one another session.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Huh?
So, ma'am,
So,
what is your practicing?
oh, my practicing is very good. I
Okay.
also is sometime audio call, sometime video call. But this is today my first video call. I did audio call, but I haven't did any video call today.
Okay.
In video call need too much network, like data. Okay, so do you use mobile data and Wi-Fi?
I use mobile data. I have no Wi-Fi connection.
Okay.
Yes. So, ma'am, will we talk any topic?
Uh, have you prepared?
No, no. Randomly, I want to talk.
Okay, so we talk about our English related.
Yes.
How how much required our English pronunciation?
Yeah, sometimes we pronounce some words wrong. So,
Yes.
but now I am not focusing my pronunciation. I just want to uh, tag that words in my tongue.
Mm. Someone told me like, ma'am, you have to work about pronunciation. So that's why I asked this question to you.
Okay. So you told me that you told me about this.
Actually, I not know much about, but yeah, pronunciation is very important. Like pronouncing word, it's
Yes.
become sound clear, and it's our become our sound when we know each and everything how to pronounce. So we like our speaking is become very good. It's very softly and sweet.
Yes.
So
Yes.
pronunciation very important to speaking. But first we have to learn speaking, then pronunciation gradually we learn.
Yes. Yes. First, we have to learn how to speak, and after that,
First we have our
yes,
level. What is first we have to learn what is our level.
yes,
If we each and everything, so little we include ourselves to pronunciation. So your video is stuck.
I don't know, ma'am.
I am I'm visible.
Yes, yes, you are visible and audible.
Okay. So our pronunciation is, I think, important.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
But if we are in beginning level, so if we will focus on our pronunciation, so it will not be good for us.
Yeah, but little words we have to know how to pronounce. If we
Yes, yes.
not pronounce in front of people, they confuse what we are saying.
What they are saying, yes, they will not understand what we are saying about.
So little pronunciation is important in beginning, and if we work on beginning, so it will be good for us.
Yes, yes.
Don't know to do how to learn. That's why these days, I am asking this question to everyone. If anyone give any clue how to improve pronunciation. So one lady, she told me like, you go whenever you go Google to how to pronounce these words. So you just listen carefully how they pronounce.
Yes, yes.
Try to try to mimicry them.
Yes.
We will
So,
we will learn like this.
Yes, ma'am. One question I want to ask you. Uh, how much time you can speak English regularly?
Every time.
Yes.
Every time in my mind, whenever I talk with my mind myself, so I
Means
talk.
you talk in English language with yourself whenever you are free.
Yes, like whenever I think anything, whenever I think, so I just think in English, not a Hindi.
Means you have started think in English.
We, I don't know when I started, but yeah, I speak in my mind in English. I think in English.
How do you think in English? Please tell me.
I
Because
don't
you
know
are
how.
to this language. That's why you think all the words in English language.
Yes, you know what we do. Like in you are speaking, so you are also. I think you are first you think in English, then you are speaking because
Yes, yes.
when we do not enough time to think any word in our mind Hindi, then translate in English, then deliver. Just we think in English, then we deliver
Yes,
while
yes.
conversing. So person very important, and just I try to every word meaning, like whenever I think anything. So if I not know that word meaning, so I just search on Google and chat GPT, then I know pronounce how to pronounce and what that word meaning, and yeah, I speak in my mind.
Yes. Okay, means your mind has started thinking in English.
Yeah,
It's very good.
3 months when I started speaking, think in my mind.
Yes, yes. It is very good. We must think in English all the time because we think in English. After thinking in English, we speak them.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I have other question.
I want
So, which kind of things we must keep in our mind while taking conversation?
nothing. You just like if anyone asks questions, you just deliver. And if you want to ask any questions, you just prepare. Some people what they do, they just prepare some question. They
Yes, yes,
write. They just write down before conversation. They write down some question, and while conversation, they ask. So, and if you capable to ask any questions, so you just ask randomly. And
yes.
what we do, nothing.
Okay.
I'm not.
We don't need to prepare for conversation. We can just conversation. We can just talk.
Listen, and if you want any topic, if you have any topic, so you just prepare that topic, and about related some sentences and something, and you ask in front of people, okay, I have these topics, do you want talk with me? So you can talk. So
Yes.
yeah.
So
Yes.
we can easily conversation. We can easily talk about that topic.
Yes, right, right. Okay. More question. How I ask you, how you make yourself very um, happy?
If we are thinking every time positive thoughts in my our mind, so we can feel happy every time.
Yes.
Yes,
And
this is the thing that I follow all the time, and I always happy.
this makes you very angry.
What?
Which things makes you very angry?
Yes, yes, selfish needs. Because I do work for others sometimes, but when it comes to helping for me, they don't do. So these things always bother me, and I always think about this. I get disturbed after thinking about this. Why they are selfish?
Right. And what makes you very unique?
Helping people.
Okay.
If I am helping other people, so I feel that yes, I have done something new and I am doing great.
Yeah, I done something for any other person. We somehow we proud ourselves. Like,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
I can do this for anyone. Okay.